Hi, I'm Seth Wittenberg. I'm going to be talking about information processing, some of the key words in that through this newspaper article that I wrote and used the words in creative manner. I used a lot of the words in a kind of a play on words or in a unique kind of manner. This first article talks about perception goggles, and so you can step into the role of a Roman soldier or a Japanese samurai with these kind of VR perception goggles. This next little article I wrote, I decided to kind of do another play on words, and it's selling these attention grabbers, guaranteed to bring clarity and concentration to your young ones or any classroom. This one's another little article talking about researchers at this kind of made-up facility working with MIT, and they make advanced drones that possess greater selective attention. And that's kind of a play on that selective attention there. This bigger article is kind of a at wanted or fugitive at large. Talks about this unknown person stealing data from this Salk Institute for Biological Studies. And so at one point there's a huge input of data, which is the key word there, taken from one of the computers. It's kind of a fun little wanted article. This is this General Mills. This article's another play on words, the cereal processing plant struggles to complete order of Fruit Loops before it can begin its new long-time overhaul of tricks. And so General Mills is the cereal company, so I did a play on words, cereal, which is one process before another. Going along with that, another play on words, instructors at Parallel Processing, Learners Driving Inc. talk about their strategies. So parallel processing is doing multiple actions at a time. So I kind of play on word there. This is another kind of conglomeration of words. Come down to Pacific Breeze Storage and Organization. They have their patent pending input process, which is one of the key words, where they will take all your belongings, bag them up in your house, whatever you don't need, and they'll deliver it. Storage process, that's where they take your items and put it in their state-of-the-art facilities. That's the key word, storage process. And then their output process, which is the third keyword, is when if you ever need access to it, quick and safe, they get it out, whatever you need, back to you in no time. So that's kind of a little ad for their Pacific Breeze Storage and Organization, using those three keywords. This last one is kind of a bring to attention little article talking about short-term memory. These researchers think that playing video games excessively can lead to long-term damage and issues with short-term, in the fact that it increases your or decreases your attention span. That's kind of just a little to be on the lookout article. So those were some of the vocab I used: the short term, parallel processing, serial processing, output process, storage process, and input process. Then input of data here. Focus, attention grabbers, selective attention, and perception. So we've got all these keywords made into this fun little newspaper article. Thank you.